Hello guys, this is Shiva here again. Welcome back to my channel. Guys, here is another powerful boom and crash strategy that you can use to grow your small account, guys. As little as $10, $20 or $30, you'll be able to grow with this strategy, okay? Now I saw this strategy on YouTube, okay? I made some few updates to it and it has been working perfectly fine for me, so I decided to share it here with you guys so that you also can use it to make money. Now, there are some few conditions you need to know before taking trades with this strategy, and I'll be sharing that with you guys very soon. Okay, so before we go into that, if you are coming across my channel for the first time, you're welcome. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel so that whenever I post a powerful strategy, you get notified, okay? Because here on this channel I post simple but powerful strategies that will help you grow your account. Okay, if you're having a small account and you are looking for a strategy that will help you grow that account, that's what I do here. Okay, I look for strategy, test it out, and then I share it here with you guys so that you can use it and make money. Okay, so that's that for that. Now for this strategy, before you use it, you have to understand something. First of all, you are going to the higher time frame, okay? And then I suggest it's either you use the 15 minutes, the 30 minutes, or the 1 hour, okay? But I prefer you use the 30 minutes, okay, to check the trend you are. Okay, so as you can see right here, we are on a downtrend right now, okay, which is perfectly good for this strategy. Okay, so as you can see, we are on boom, we are on boom 1000, so we are going to be selling. Okay, so on crash we buy, okay, because this strategy we are trading against spike. Okay, we are not catching spike with this strategy. Okay, we are trading against the spike, so we are going to be selling on boom and then we are buying on crash. So let's go to crash right now. So after you have like checked that you are on a downtrend, okay, as you can see right now, price came from this place down to this place. So you can see we are on a downtrend and you can see all the candlesticks are below the red line. Okay, so it shows that we are on a downtrend right now. So you go to your 1 minute time frame and then you look for entry opportunities. Now for an entry, you need to first of all allow the blue line here. Okay, you need to allow this blue Bollinger Bands here to get to the overbought level, which is this place right here, the overbought level. Okay, once you see it touching the red line, you go in for your sell. Okay, but you are not going to sell immediately once it touches the red line. Okay, what you need to observe is like you need to wait for, you see this green line here. Okay, it needs to cross below the red line. Okay, so once you see that it has touches the red line on the indicator window here, you observe if it has crossed the red line on the main chart. So you wait for it to cross. So once it cross, and then that's when you can enter. Okay, that's when you can enter. So immediately it cross, you go in for, let's say, 5 to 7 candles. Okay, just take 5 to 7 candles and you are out. So if you're having a small account, let's say $10, just take 5. But if you're having, let's say, 30 or above, you can take 5 to 10 or 7 and then you stop. Okay, you can see here is another example. Once it touches the red line, you wait for the crossing, and then you take your 5 candles. Another example here again, you can see the crossing, the touching, and then the crossing. You take your 5 candles. Same thing here again. You can see the way it's happening consistently. Okay, that is because we are on a downtrend. You can see, guys, we are on a downtrend. So this strategy works perfectly when you are on a downtrend. Okay, so whenever you see that is whenever you see on the 30-minute time frame that the trend is an uptrend, you avoid the market. Okay, don't take any entry. Okay, you avoid the market. This strategy, it doesn't work on an uptrend, but whenever the market is consolidating, okay, let's say for example this area right now, okay, you can use the strategy too in a ranging market. Like when it's consolidating, you can also use the strategy, and when it's on a downtrend, you can use the strategy too. But whenever you see that the market is in an uptrend, you avoid the market. Okay, so that is it for this strategy. It's a very simple strategy to understand. Okay, make sure you always wait for the condition I just showed you guys, and then you'll be good to go. Okay, so let me quickly share with you guys the settings. Okay, here our first indicator is the moving average. Okay, so you search for the moving average. The first moving average here is the moving average. The period is 7, the shift is 0, method is simple, apply to close. Under the style we have 3 pixel, the color is green. Okay, so that is all for this one. Then you click on done. Then the second moving average. Okay, you click on this F icon right here, and then you search for another moving average. And then the period is 14, the shift is 0, method is simple, apply to close. Under the style we have 3 pixel, the color is red. Okay, that is it for this one. Then you click on done. Then you click on this F icon again, and then you search for the average directional movement index. Okay, so after you search that one, you click on it, and then here the period is 1000. Under the style we have 1 pixel, the color is white. Okay, then you can see the plus ti, we have 4 pixel here, the color is green. Under it we have 4 pixel again, the color is red. And then the levels, you can see we have the 77, the 3. Okay, and then the pixel here we have 1 pixel. I made the color white. Then you go back, and then you click on done. And then here the bands, the Bollinger Band, we have. So now before you add the Bollinger Band, this is where you are going to click on. Okay, this F icon right here is the one you are clicking on, and then you search for Bollinger Band. You click on it, click on the Bollinger Band. Here the period is 10, the deviation 0.100, shift 0, apply to close. Under the style we have 3 pixel, and then I make the color blue. So you can use any color of your choice if you want. Then you click on done, you go back, then you have a screen like this, guys. You have a screen like this. So you make sure if you are confused, you repeat the video and get the instruction I give before you take an entry. Okay, so you make sure you are disciplined about this. Okay, always wait for the condition before you take an entry. Okay, if it goes against you, no strategy is 100%. I always say that. So but you have like 80% of winning rate with this strategy. Okay, you have 80%, and always make sure you are on a downtrend. Okay, so I will advise you practice it with your demo account first, see that it's working for you, then before you use it with your real money. Okay, so that is it for this strategy. Make sure you subscribe, guys. Make sure you subscribe, you give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post another powerful strategy like this, you get notified immediately, guys. So thank you, God bless you all, silver out.